हेलो स्टूडेंट। हम स्टडी कर रहे थे एंटी न्यूरोप्लास्टिक एजेंट। सो फार वी हैव स्टडी अबाउट कैंसर्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कैंसर, एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कैंसर्स, क्लासिफिकेशन, growth of cancerous cells and their kinetics, different carcinogenic agent, antineoplastic agent, how the cancer can be diagnosed, treatment of cancer. So far we have studied about this. In different types of anti-cancer agent, we have studied about alkylating agent, how they act, how the cell can be mutate. So far we have studied about different questions, different examples of alkylating agents such as chlorambucil, mitomycin, cyclophosphamide, बुसल्फान, सिस्प्लेटिन. हम लोगों ने यहाँ तक पढ़ लिया था. So now in today topic we are going to study about antineoplastic agent. जो हमारे next categories हैं वो है antimetabolites and antibiotics. So firstly, antimetabolites, these are the compounds which prevent biosynthesis or utilization of normal cell metabolites. They are usually closely related to normal metabolites and resulted from small change in structure of metabolite, that is they are bioesters of normal metabolites. So in antimetabolite, the first drug is methotrexate, which is also called as amitriptyline or methylaminoptyline. If we look at the structure of this, it is closely related to purine. Physical property include color yellow to orange crystalline powder. It is slightly soluble in water but soluble in dilute solution of alkali hydroxides and carbonates. Stability and storage, it is affected by air, light, hence it should be stored in tightly closed light resistance container. Next are the uses. It is used for anti-neoplastic agent for the treatment of acute lymphatic leukemias, acute non-lymphatic leukemias. It is also used in the treatment of breast cancer. It is used in ovarian cancer. It is also used for the treatment of testicular cancers. It is valuable in the treatment of leukemia malignantis. It is used in dermatomytosis due to its immunosuppressive action. When we talk about the formulation, it comes as tablet and injection. The brand name is given here. Next drug include mercaptopurine. 6-mercaptopurine include the physical properties yellow crystalline powder. It is odorless. It is slightly soluble in water but insoluble in solution of alkali hydroxide. Chemical properties include when it is saturated alcohol solution is treated with alcoholic mercuric acetate solution, a white precipitate is obtained. When its solution is warmed with alcoholic lead acetate solution, a yellow precipitate is obtained. This is the structure of mercaptopurine. Stability and storage, it is affected by air, light, and hence it should be stored in light resistance container. Uses it is a cytotoxic agent used in lymphatic leukemia, acute myelogenous leukemia, chronic granulocytic leukemia. It is a immunosuppressive agent used for the nephrotic syndrome, autoimmune disease like hemophiliatic anemia, severe rheumatoid arthritis. It is used also for the treatment of systemic lupus erythematosus. It is used as a folic antagonist. It is used for the treatment of chroniocarcinoma. Next drug include azathioprine. When we talk about the azathioprine, it is also a purine antagonist. Its physical properties include it is a yellow pale powder and odorless. It is practically insoluble in water but soluble in dilute alkali hydroxide. It is decomposed in stronger alkali solution. नहीं. Chemical properties include when it is treated with zinc powder and hydrochloric acid, the nitrogen group is reduced to ammonium group, that is NO3 is reduced to NH3 group. The compound thus obtained is treated with the sodium nitrate, sulfamic acid and then beta naphthol solution. A pink color is produced. This is the structure of azathioprine. Now next is the stability and storage. It is affected by light, hence it should be stored in light resistance container. Now next are the uses. It is slowly converted to mercaptopurine, thus it is a slow onset and prolonged duration of action. It is similar to mercaptopurine. So these are the next is the different pharmaceutical preparations. If we talk about the pharmaceutical preparation of mercaptopurine, it comes as tablet and injection. Next drug include 5-fluorouracil. This is the structure of 5-fluorouracil. Its physical property include white. It is a white colored powder, almost odorless. It is soluble in water and very slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage it is affected by air and light, hence it should be stored in tightly closed container that should be light resistant. It is affected by air and light, hence it should be stored in tightly closed container, light resistance container. It is a cytotoxic agent. It is used alone or in conjugation with radiotherapy in palliative treatment of neoplasm of gastrointestinal tract, breast and pancreas cancer, respiratory tract. It is also used to treat solar keratosis and malignant skin condition. Antibiotics. Next class of drug include antibiotics. If we look at these different antibiotics जो एंटी कैंसर जो ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कैंसर में यूज़ होती हैं, these anti cancer drugs are called antibiotic as these are obtained from fungal and species such as streptomyces antibacterial activity. These compounds were originally rejected as antibacterial agent due to cytotoxic effect, but later proved useful in chemotherapy of cancer. They inhibit the synthesis of DNA and RNA by interacting with DNA. Thus, the regulation of the cell growth is affected. First drug include deonomycin. It is the anthracycline derivative. Okay, it is an anthracycline derivative. It is officially come as hydrochloride salt, which is red crystalline compound. It is also available as lyophilized powder. It is soluble in water. This is the structure of this antibiotic. Storage. If we talk about the storage, it should be stored at room temperature in well closed container. It is used for the treatment of lymphatic and granulocytic leukemias. The brand names are these. Next drug include actinomycin. Actinomycins are naturally occurring compound consisting of two symmetrical pentapeptide selectone chain attached on a central 3-phenoxazone 1,3-dicarboxylic acid, which is called as actinosin. It contains phenoxazine heterocycle compound. Physical property include it occur as bright red crystalline powder. It is also a lyophilizer powder. It is soluble in alcohol and alcohol water mixture solution in which it is also soluble. It is very slightly soluble in water. Stability and storage. It is affected by light, excessive heat and moisture, hence it should be stored in tightly closed container. Next drug include it is an anti-neoplastic agent. Uses include it is an anti-neoplastic agent used for the treatment of Wilm tumors in children, testicular and ovarian malignant tetrasomas, carcinomas. It is also used for the treatment of pelvic or limb tumors. It comes as injection if we look at the pharmaceutical preparations. These are the brand names. This is the conjugative mechanism of action for the anti-cancer drug. Methotrexate act on the folic acid synthesis, whereas uracil act on the nucleotide, thioguanine also act on the nucleotide, mercaptopurine act on the nucleotide and prevent the synthesis of adenine and guanine. Alkylating agent act on the DNA. Antibiotics are also act on the RNA. Then cell they disturb the cell mitosis. This picture is depicting how the tumor environment and the tumor cells is. Thank you. I hope this video is informational for you.